Welcome to watch Freshliant's operation video for battery replacement BlueTag, TH20. BlueTag TH20 supports battery replacement for longer life and continuous monitoring. Replace the battery timely when you see the low battery warning on the device or in the app. Step 1. Open the back cover. Step 2. Push the used battery up and out of the slot. Step 3. Push a new battery into the slot. Step 4. Close the back cover tightly, and it's ready to use. Battery replacement won't cause data loss. Read previous monitoring data via the app. To restart monitoring, reconfigure the device in the app. Freshliant's trustworthy environmental logging solution provider. If you have any questions or requirements, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.